Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dibakar. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about the vaccine. What is vaccine, type of vaccines and general stage of the development of a new vaccines. Before I start the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, what is vaccine? A vaccine is a substance that helps protect against certain disease. Vaccine contains a dead or weakened version of a microbe. It helps your immune system recognize and destroy the living microbe during a future infection. Type of vaccines. There are two main types of vaccine, that is number 1 live attenuated vaccines, number 2 inactivated vaccines. Live attenuated vaccines are also known as live vaccines, contain whole bacteria or virus which have been weakened so that they create a protection immune response but do not cause disease in healthy people. Live vaccines tend to create a strong and long lasting immune system for a long time. Number 2, inactivated vaccines. Inactivated vaccines do not contain any live bacteria or virus. They cannot cause the disease against which they protect, even the people with several weakened immune system. However, inactive vaccines do not always create such a strong and long-lasting immune system response as live vaccines. They usually require repeated dose or booster dose to create a strong and long-lasting immune system. Now, talking about the general stage of the development of a new vaccines, there are 6 stages. That is, number 1, exploratory. This research-intensive phase of the vaccine development process is designed to identify natural or synthetic antigens that might help prevent or treat a disease. Number 2, preclinical. In preclinical stage, where determine approximate dose range proper drug formulations. This is also the stage in which the drug first testing in laboratory animals prior to moving to the next stage. Number 3, clinical development. In clinical development stage, the vaccines must pass 3 trial stages of human testing. Phase 1. In phase 1, they pick 20 to 100 healthy people for the trial vaccines and they notice that, is this vaccine safe? Does this vaccine seems to work? Are there any serious side effect? How is the size of the dose related to side effect? Phase 2. In phase 2, they pick 500 to 700 people for the trial vaccine and observe that where are the most common short-term side effects, how are the selected people immune system responding to the vaccines. Phase 3. In phase 3, they pick 5,000 to 10,000 people for the trial vaccine and they observe that how do people who get the vaccines and people do not get the vaccines are compared. Is this vaccine safe? Is this vaccine effective? What are the most common side effects? Number 4, regulatory review and approval. If a vaccine passes through all 3 phases of clinical development, the vaccine developer submit a biological license application to the FDA. Number 5, manufacturing. Major drug manufacturers provides the infrastructure, personnel and equipment necessary to create mass quantity of vaccines. Number 6, quality control. The quality checked by government agencies and NGO. This is why it takes time to at least 18 months to 36 months for development in new vaccines. So thank you friend, I hope this video helped you to know about the vaccines, type of vaccines and new vaccines preparation stages. If you like the video, please click the like button and also share the video with your friend, family, etc. See you next video. Goodbye.